Do you wonder how one becomes a motorcycle mechanic? Well, wonder no more. This video will teach you all you need to know. First, the motorcycle mechanic is one who takes care of small engines such as that of the motorbike. Their duties are to service, repair, inspect, and couple motorbike parts and engines. Here are some other things a motorcycle mechanic can do. 1. Run a diagnostic test to see what the problem with a motorbike could be. 2. Test and change and repair brakes. 3. Remove engine and components of the electrical systems. But before all that, you have to first be a mechanic. But how? First, complete minimum educational requirements for a motorbike mechanic aspirant. If you want to be a mechanic, you should have a diploma from high school. This should give you basic foundations you need to excel in a motorcycle repair school. Some schools may ask you to take some standardized tests to ascertain your proficiency in some skills. Some would further ask you to take admissions exams. This, however, is not common. Second, choose a training program for motorcycle mechanics. You can find many programs for people who want to be motorcycle mechanics. The training is delivered via post-high school institutions like vocational institutes and technical schools. If you complete the program, you will be given a certificate. That certificate is what employers would ask for whenever you seek for employment in that field. The training program could last from 6 to 18 months depending on the school and training type. The training centers place a minimum grading you must attain in order to be certified. Things to consider before going for a particular training school. 1. The size of the class. This is an important factor in all types of education. Smaller classes mean you get to interface with the teacher more often. 2. The facilities in the school. Since this is a technical program, you need to be taught with various facilities and equipment. You cannot effectively learn how to do motorcycle repairs by just reading books. 3. School accreditation. Is the school approved by the right authority? 4. The employment rate of previous graduates. If the degree from a school won't increase employment chances, why study there? The training program is categorized into 2, theory and practical. The theory takes place in class while practical happens in repair shops or school labs. Finally, you could further education. Even though your certificate from training school is enough to get you a job anywhere in the country. You can further your studies if you want to become specialized in a particular aspect of motorcycle repair. This would also lead you to having more job chances and higher pay. You can specialize in handling motorcycles made by a particular manufacturer. It will also give you a chance to work for these manufacturers if the chance opens up. You can also have your own outfit where you handle motorbikes from specific manufacturers. This is also common among those who own repair shops. But remember, before you own a shop, you have to spend a lot of time learning in one. Don't be a static mechanic. Technology is evolving day by day. Learn new things about your field. There are tutorials on YouTube. They teach mechanics new stuff. The goal is to be the best at what you do, and stagnation would never help. Get going, develop yourself. See you at the top. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. And hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our site, www.zimmotorbike.com for more awesome motorbike content like this.